Kalavanti Durg trek. I will tell you the exact location, how much far it is. And one of my good friend Akash, he will be joining me for the trek, and we will be meeting at Santa Cruz. So let's head off to the Santa Cruz, guys. See you.
So guys, we just took a break to check our route, like which way we have to head now. We had uttapam and tea in our evening snacks. The food was very good. So guys, our plan is to first climb till Prabalmachi this evening, which is more than 1400 feet. We will be staying in the camp at Prabalmachi for the night. The next morning, we will continue our climb till the summit of Kalavantin Durg. So guys, we have left NH48 and we have entered the route through the village, which will take us to Thakurwadi.
Alright guys, so finally I meet one of my best friend, Akash. He is here, and we have actually reached to the base of Kalavanti Durg trek, and you meet Akash. Yeah, he is a trekker, and he did trekking like 2 weeks ago. He went to Uttarakhand, and can you please say like what trek it was?
Actually, it was a trek to Harkitun, and it took around 3 to 4 days from there. So actually, it's the most ancient trek of India. It is called Harkitun because the Pandavas went through the same path towards the what it is called? Heaven.
Yeah, towards the heaven. So he did trekking last week to Uttarakhand, and it was really nice. So catch you soon, and just stay tuned, guys.
The evening was beautiful because the moon was high in the sky. The distance we travelled from Santa Cruz up to Thakurwadi was around 65 to 70 kilometers.
Guys, we have started the trekking. As you can see, it's very dark, and I will show you the exact altitude to which we are climbing, and stay tuned, guys.
So guys, you can see the city lights and the moon, and our current altitude is 1056 feet, 58 feet actually, it's fluctuating. Guys, we finally reached to the Prabalmachi. The altitude of Prabalmachi is 1413 feet. Prabalmachi is the base village from where the route diverts for Kalavantin Durg and Prabalgarh. Sorry guys, I was not able to make much of the video because it was very dark, and the route was a little rocky, so I was like more aware while climbing. But our camp is about to set up, and I will show you the video of our camp. This is our camp, guys, good for 2 people. In dinner we had matar paneer, curry, dal with chapati and papad. The food was really awesome, guys. 5 out of 5 for food. So we enjoyed our bonfire with some tea and music. The Orion constellation, which shows the arrival of winters in northern hemisphere, was visible quite clearly. this was our camp, guys, and it was really comfortable sleeping in, and the morning view from here was really amazing.
Good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing good. As you can see, there is the Kalavanti Durg trek, and it's morning 7 a.m. Just woke up, and you can see the view. It's really beautiful from here, and we might start our trek after an hour or so. So just stay tuned, and we'll show you more views.
Guys, this is the slow 360-degree view from our camp. Guys, the price for the camp and the dinner was 500 Indian rupees per person, which was a very worth deal. And if you want to pre-book your camp and the dinner, the contact number is given in the description below. Guys, we have started our trekking to Kalavanti Durg at 8:30 am. The view is dazzling and the wind is quite cold, but it's very fresh and clean. Guys, if you want to enjoy the view and avoid the crowd, I will suggest you to start your trek from Thakurwadi at Friday evening around 4 pm so that you can reach to the Prabal Machi at 7 pm. Then spend your night in the camp at Prabal Machi, and next morning start your trek to the summit of Kalavanti Durg so that you can complete the major part of your trek in the pleasant temperature, as well as you will avoid most of the crowd. So guys, this is the place from where the two routes separate. One will be going to Prabalgarh and the other one will be going to the Kalavanti Durg. We will take left as we are heading to Kalavanti Durg. Guys, you can see the trail is a little rocky, but it's good to climb. The path looks very nice as we go more deep into the forest. I can really feel the fresh oxygen going into my lungs and the fresh air. A little bit cold. It's really amazing experience, guys. Akash bought 2 packs of biscuits from this shop. Guys, the route is becoming more and more rocky. Guys, that's the top to where we are heading. There was a cave on the way, might be very useful in ancient times to keep the fort safe.
So guys, we have to go there at the top, and so let's climb.
So guys, if you're gonna climb this mountain in the front, you will reach to the summit of Prabhalgarh, which is around 50 to 100 feet more heighted than the Kalavantin Durg, which is this one at which we are climbing. Landscapes from here is really amazing. So guys, we have reached to the stair climb at an altitude of 2069 feet. So guys, the climb is very steep as you can see, but as we are climbing up, the view is becoming more amazing. The steps are steep and uneven, but dog practiced well. Guys, you can see as there is no railings or nothing to hold on, so you have to keep your hands onto the stairs and climb up further. Make sure that your each and every steps are really safe, because there is no second chance. Akash was waiting and relaxing a little, and now he is ready to climb again. So guys, this is how you have to climb safely. You have to hold on to the stair in front and then climb slowly. You can hold on to the rocks on the side as well and watch your steps. Guys, after reaching to a certain altitude, the steps will become more small and the cliff will become more steep. See, we are almost there, and here is Akash relaxing. He is very quick. Guys, this is the view of the trek and the cliff with an higher angle. Guys, I am making this video long because I want to show you all the views as much as I can, as well as I feel like nothing to be deleted as the track is really beautiful. The dogs have followed us all the way up. It was good to wear sunglasses, and guys, I suggest you, if you are trekking, wear your sunglasses as well. It will give you a better distant vision, as well as apply some sunscreen. The path was a little exhausting, but the elegance of trek kept me alive. Guys, this is the final stretch. It's a little steep and we have to be very careful over here, and I'm taking my each and every single step very carefully. I don't want to take any risk, and I'm taking my own sweet time to climb uphill with the scenic views.
And here is Akash.
And our current altitude is 2179 feet. We are still not yet at the summit. The summit is onto the right side, which is around 80 feet steep rock climb. Salute to the flag, and finally we are at the summit of Kalavantin Durg. Guys, I'm very happy after reaching to the summit. The view from here is really amazing. I can't really express in words. That's the Prabhalgarh summit in the front. Guys, it was really relaxing sitting at the summit, enjoying the wind and the view of Western Ghat. Guys, we have climbed to an altitude of 2272 feet in order to reach the summit of Kalavantin Durg. My experience of this trek was really awesome, but the climb is quite steep after reaching to the rocky area. I have seen some families climbing with their children, but personally I will not recommend this trek for children as there is no second chance after one mistake. Let's check out the other side of the rock, as I can see a village downhill. And guys, the view is really amazing from here. If you are living in Mumbai, it's a must visit trek, guys. So guys, we took some snapshots. Hope you will like it. So guys, descending down the Kalavantin Durg will be coming up in chapter 2. And hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay tuned and take care, guys.
आस्ते कदम आस्ते कदम आस्ते कदम
देखते हुए
महाराज गजपति भूपति अश्वपति गणपति प्रजापति
Yeah, MD. JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go and run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some.